today?
I do. Every day through Saturday. Vacation's over.
Yeah, back to real life. At least you guys have lots of fun though.
Yeah.
You drop your arms in. Yeah, what's that? Come back here.
Oh. Oh, goodness.
Okay. You're like very stiff today.
I don't know why.
I
know.
Relax.
I don't know if it was last time or the time before I was super stiff too. I'm not sure why.
Maybe it's still residuals from that fall.
Yeah, I don't know. It's not really been like bugging me that I consciously know.
Well, that's good at least. Take a deep breath in. Good. Blow all the way out. Yeah, I wanted to tackle it from the other direction. And you can pick your hands up. There we go. Have you roll the other way. That way.
This way?
This way.
Out it that way.
Perfect. Okay. Just breathe. That's an important part of it.
Yeah, right. Holding my breath.
I hope even you're heavier stiff this morning. Okay? Take a deep breath for me. All the way out. And you can lay on your back.
I'm not being very cooperative today.
That happens. Can't all be winners. Can't all be winners. Hold tight for me. Yeah, you are like just not even moving.
Yeah. It's crazy because I don't feel like pain in general, but when you start touching around, I'm like,
Yeah.
ooh, that hurts.
Tuck your chin for me. A little bit more. Give us an inch. Relax.
Oh, there we go.
Alright. Switch back towards me a little bit. We can do that neck today. Good. Towards me a little bit more. Good. And then just relax your legs down. Super awesome. See worse. Okay, I'm going to just wiggle your toes for me. Good.
Oh, there we go. Yay.
You can stop wiggling. Phew. That was necessary.
Oh my gosh. I didn't realize how necessary it was. Yeah, no, I mean, I feel like I slept pretty hard last night. Sometimes when I sleep really hard, I get in these funky positions and just stay there for like really long times. It's the only thing I can really figure. I just hasn't been any heavy lifting at work, because last night was my first night back to work, and I did zero heavy lifting.
Your body's rejecting it. It's like, no.
Yeah, it's like,
me
no, I'm not ready yet.